Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Always wear mask and sanitize well if you are supposed to go out for any emergency purposes. Okay. Last session we have seen about OpenOffice Calci and the office automation tools, word processor and all. So I think you are having some idea about word processor and OpenOffice Calci. And today in this session we are going to see about presentation basics. Right? This is one of the office automation tools which is given for you in this grade 11 syllabus. Okay. So before that we have seen the fundamentals of computer and working with a typical operating system, that is in Windows or Linux are the operating systems, right? So about that we have seen previously the introduction to computers, number systems, computer organization, operating systems concept, and working with operating systems and all we have seen. And now we are seeing the office automation tools introduction. Right here, word processor. Word processor means, as you all know, it is used to type a text, or it is a uh, thing which is used to create a document, right? OpenOffice Calci. Calci means it is used to do some calculations. And here today we are going to see about presentation basics. Here we are using OpenOffice Impress, right? For word processor we used OpenOffice Writer, and for calculations we had OpenOffice Calci in OpenOffice package, right? So here in the same way for presentation, in this OpenOffice package we'll have OpenOffice Impress. Okay, if you are using Microsoft Office means you will have Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, in Word means Microsoft Word. Excel, that is for calculation in MS Office, it will be given as MS Excel, right? So here now we are going to see the introduction about this presentation basics. Okay, presentation means it is like if you are doing a project, you will present the concept of the project as a presentation. That means we'll just give the hints, or a point-based representation will be given for the concept, and that will be displayed on a slide. That is nothing but in the screen. Okay, each slide we can design each in each model, and we can export it as a video, as I said yesterday, right? So today let's see how to start with this OpenOffice Impress. Okay, so for opening OpenOffice Impress, we have to go to all programs and then OpenOffice and then OpenOffice Impress, right? All programs from where you will take, you all know that from word processor itself we are seeing, you'll just click on start button and you will select all programs, and once if OpenOffice package is installed, it will show up the OpenOffice folder. Inside that OpenOffice folder, OpenOffice Impress will be there, right? So you can click on that, and you can see the OpenOffice Impress page. There it will just ask for presentation wizard first. There you can take anything, empty presentation, or from template you can choose, or you can open an existing presentation. That is, if you have done half of the presentation and if you have saved, it will be there in the computer, right? So that existing also you can open. You can just select from that option, either empty presentation or from template. Template means some slides will have templates. For writing the title, it will have a box. For writing the description, it will have a box. For inserting an image, it will have a box. So if you have any conceptual idea in your mind, means you can just select this a template also. Or if you are not having any particular idea about slide, means you can just select empty presentation, empty blank screen, blank slide, or we'll be saying as a empty presentation only, blank slide, and from that you can just start to work with. Here, if you're taking an empty presentation or empty slide, here you can insert anything in that slide. You can insert a text, you can insert a image, you can insert a video, or you can insert whatever you need. If you're taking a template in the sense, if it is themed template, no problem. In all the slides, that theme will be there. That is some color or some designs. if you are taking some separately design title template, or if you are taking a picture template, means only that thing you can insert. Okay, so here first you will select empty presentation, and then presentation backgrounds will be asked. If you need, you can just click on presentation background, and you can select some colors also will be given. If you need, you can select that, or else you can just click on create, and you can create it. Okay, you can, when you are creating, it will be displayed. One slide will be there in the screen. Okay, if you need using templates, means some template will be there, some layouts will be given in the right side of your screen, and from there you can just select the template which you need if you have any particular idea of slide. Okay, and then once the slide is created, that is, if you are giving create, it will be shown in the screen. Okay, in that you can go to um, file, new presentation, or you can go to file and new, and then it will ask for text document, spreadsheet, or presentation. So you can select presentation, so a new presentation will be on your screen. Okay, here also you will be seeing the parts of this main Impress window, as you have seen there in word processor, that is OpenOffice Writer and OpenOffice Calci and all. Here also in this presentation screen also, you will have the title bar, menu bar, tools, scroll bar, everything will be there. Okay, so this about this parts and all you will be learning when you are learning this chapter. Okay, so here once your screen is visible on your monitor, you can just select insert. If you are selecting insert, from insert, uh, below that you will have a text. If you are if you are selecting insert menu, means you will have text, picture, video, in everything will be there. Okay, if you are if you have to type something, you can just type using the text box. If you want to insert a picture, means you can just click the picture, and it will lead you to the files which is inside your computer, and you can just select any one picture, and if you give insert, means it will be inserted here inside your screen or inside your slide. Okay, so once it is inserted, if you have to move, or if you want to make it big or small, you have to just click on that image, or any clip art or picture. If you are clicking on that, you will get a dots. You will get some dots on the edges. If you are moving the cursor near to that dots, it will just the cursor will become as a double-sided or four-sided arrow. Okay, the cursor, the arrow which you are moving, will be changing to double-sided arrow or four-sided arrow. Okay, if it shows the four-sided arrow, the particular image is ready to move. Okay, if it is showing two-sided arrow, the particular image is ready to enlarge or minimize. Okay, if you have to click on the left button of your mouse, and you have to move. Okay, so these are the presentation basics. So if you need a new slide, you can just click on one slide, and you can right click left side. This all the slides which you have will be displayed. If you need to delete it, or if you want to insert another slide uh, along with the first slide, means you can just go to slide new, and you can just select another one slide from there. Or in that slide itself, if you are clicking on the right click of the mouse, you will have the option to insert slide or delete slide. Whatever you need, you can do. Okay, and after designing the slides, these slides are totally designable. That means you can just make it as a color slide. You can make it with some themes. You can make it as a blank slide with some text alone. Or if you want, you can involve any video in that, and that video will be playing in the background, and you can enter any word or your name in the front side, or many whatever you need, you can do. As we are creating a video, you can create animations. Some clip arts will be there as a default one. In insert, you will have clip arts. If you are selecting that clip art, the right side dialog box will be displayed. From that, you can select the clip arts which are present in defaultly here in the OpenOffice Impress. Okay, so if you need some particular, if you need a car, if you need a animal, their search symbol will be there. In that, inside that search, you can just type and you can insert the clipart. Okay, so all the other things we'll be learning later. So here today I'll be just giving you the simple techniques to create a video. Okay, so here also same way, if you want to save, you can click on Control S and the save dialog box will be displayed. Or another way is you have to go to File and click on File, and inside the File menu you will get a list down menus there, and from there you can select Save. So the Save dialog box will be displayed. Okay, there you will be giving a file name and how it will be saved. I have given you the extension. It will be saved in .ppt, right? In Microsoft Windows, if you are doing, it will be saved as PowerPoint. So it is PPT. Here you just, I have given you yesterday. I think you will remember it. If you are not remembering, just go through the last session's video and you just find it. Okay. In this OpenOffice we have ODS, ODT, like that we'll have. So for presentation, the extension, you just find it from our last videos. Okay. So it will be saved with that extension, and you have to see where, in which drive or in desktop or document, where it is saved. Okay, that thing will be selected in, it will be in blue color. Okay, whichever drive or which folder is selected, that particular folder will be displayed above this file name and all. And once you have seen the place, or once you have fixed the place where you have to save this presentation, you can just give a file name and you can save it. Okay, so once you have saved, it will be ready to export, right? So whatever, if you need a welcome slide, first slide you can give welcome. Next slide, if you need to display something, you can just type in the next slide, and the next slide, if you need a picture, you can insert a picture. If you need a video, you can insert a video. If you need to insert a audio, you can insert a audio. Everything will be coming under this insert menu. Okay, if you need some tools, or if you need some shapes, you need to draw a flowchart or something, then you can use the tools, the shapes also. Okay, so everything will be here inside this insert menu itself. Okay, once you have given this insert menu, everything will be displayed in below the insert menu. Okay, once if you are clicking the insert menu, the things which are here to insert will be coming below the insert menu. Okay, so here you can insert a slide. If you want to have the same slide again, you will have insert duplicate slide. Duplicate slide means the first same slide will be coming again. You can make some changes there and you can get another one slide. So here you can create a number of slides you wish. Okay, so here shapes are also there. Selecting line, everything, drawing toolbar, everything will be coming here. Okay, so this is the simple idea of using this PowerPoint or this OpenOffice Impress. So to create, so to give some um, transitions also, here they have given some options that you will learn when we are learning this presentation tool. Okay, so to give some animations or give some transitions in between each uh, slide, you will have some transitions, video transitions, or you will have some inside slideshow settings and all, it will be there. Okay, slideshow, one column is there. Inside that, slide transition or custom animation is there, right? So if you are selecting one slide and if you are going to slide transition, and inside slideshow, slide transition will be there. If you are going to slide transition, you will get a number of transition. It is flying from right to left, flying from top to bottom. It is spinning like a wheel, or zooming and zoom out, or whatever you need, you can select from that. It will have a number of transitions there. And if you are having any text, or if you are having any image or a picture which you need to fly in, means for that you can use custom animation. You can select a particular text and you can select custom animation from this slideshow. Okay, so about this and all you will be learning when you are learning this chapter. I'll be showing you the way to create a video very easily. Okay, and at last, after giving all these transitions, custom animations and all, if you need, you can just export it as a video, or you can just see the slideshow. Shortcut key is F5. Okay, if you have completed everything, simply you can click F5 on the F5. That is one of the function key. In the top of your keyboard, F5 will be there. F1, F2, F3, F4, like that till F12 it will be there, I think. So F5 is the slideshow shortcut key. For shortcut key, I have asked you to make a separate page or make a separate portion of your book, right? So in your note, you can just mention shortcut key to display the slideshow is F5, or you can go to slideshow menu, and from there below the slideshow menu it will be displayed as slideshow. So if you are clicking on that slideshow, it will start. In each transition, when you are giving the transition animation and all, it may ask some time. You can fix 5 seconds or 3 seconds. So if you are giving the slideshow, but at that particular time, each slide will be moving. Okay, if you are giving any transition, that transition will work when it is moving. If you are giving fly in, means after that 3 seconds it will just fly in. Okay, it will just stay for the time which you have given. If you have not given any time, you have to click enter on the keyboard, or you can click mouse in the left button. So once if you are clicking that, you will get the next slide. That is, if we are doing it manually, you can use this method. Automatically after a mouse click, like that one option is there. If that is ticked, means if you are giving time also, once if you are clicking on the mouse or if you are clicking on the enter key only, it will move to the next slide. Okay. So today you have seen how to open Office Impress and all. So here I'll be showing a simple example to create any one video. Okay, this is the screen which you will get when you are doing a presentation. Okay, this is the screen. So here file, edit, view, insert, everything is there. So if you are clicking on the insert, you will get a slide here. This one page or this one is known as one slide. Okay, so if you need again, you can just click on the insert, and inside the insert you will have new slide. So you can select new slide from that, and another slide will be there. And again in the insert, if you see, you will have insert a picture, insert video, insert audio, everything will be there. You can just insert, and then what you have to do, if you want to type, you can just click the cursor there. If it has the uh, text area, it will just allow you to type the text, or you can just insert text, and then one box will be there. If you are clicking inside the slide, means that box will be disabled there. So click to edit, means inside that if you are clicking, you will be able to type the text, and after typing you can make it bold, or you can make it you can change the color using the tools which is present below this menu bar. Okay, so here if you see, some colors are there, line is there, font style will be there. If you are selecting that font itself, the font whatever fonts are present, it will be there. You can just click on the arrow near the font style. Below that arrow itself, many font styles will be displayed, and from there you can select the font style which you wish. Okay, so likewise you can edit, and you can give some color. You can make it big. Font size also you can make it. It will be as a default tone, it will be 11 or 12 or 13, I think. So if you need it big, you can make it 16, 18, 20, like that. Whatever size you need, you can fix the size for the particular word. And if you are inserting your picture or inserting a background image, means that also you can move. As I have said you, by using your mouse itself you can move. Okay, once if you are clicking on that image, if it is selected, it will have dots in the corners. If you want to tilt it also, in the center of the top center of that image, it will have a dot and a circle with arrow. Okay, if you are moving the cursor, moving the arrow near that round arrow, it will just allow you to rotate it. You can just click the mouse in the left side, and you can drag it and see, the image will be rotating. Okay, if you have done anything wrong, if you need the thing which is present previously there, means you can do undo. Undo means the previous, if you are unknowingly deleting something, or if you are unknowingly tilting or rotating any image, if you want it back to normal means you can just click on Control and Z. Okay, Control Z. Control Z means CTRL will be there. Along with CTRL button, you have to click on Z also. Control and Z at the same time. If you are clicking, this will be displayed. The previously done action will be deleted, and if you are tilting it unknowingly, it will be tilted back again. If you are deleting one big text unknowingly, it will be displaying back again. Okay, once if you are saving this, undo cannot be done. If you are not saving it, you can undo this. Okay, and undo, redo, everything will be there manually. You can take it from edit. Okay, inside edit, undo, redo will be there. So the shortcut key is for undo, it is Control Z. Okay, note it down, note it down everyone. Okay, Control Z is for undo. Okay, so this will be useful if you are new to this computer, or if you are new to this presentation means unknowingly we will do something. So we will be finding it difficult to bring back to the same position. So you can use this undo key, Control Z. Okay. So you know how to save, right? So you can go to File and click on Save and give a name and save, and go to Slideshow, give some slide transition or give some custom animation. Select that. You just select any one custom animation there. Give some time, 5 seconds or 2 seconds or 3 seconds, whatever, how much time you need, you can give for each slide. You have to give. Okay, and then at last you just click on F5. Whatever slides you have given, it will be just scrolling, and beautifully a video will be created. Okay, if you need this as a video itself, as a video file, if you need, you can just go to File and you can export as a video. Okay, so this will take some time for loading and exporting as a video. You have to wait till it becomes 100% and it will be exported to a video. Okay, so in this way you can do this presentation, and this is the short explanation about creating a video using this OpenOffice Impress. Okay, so today I hope this class would have been an interesting and a useful one for you. So if you have any doubts in this or in your last session's introductory class, we'll have interactive sessions this week from 3. I think Wednesday or Thursday you will have interactive session. So at that time we'll discuss. If you have any doubts, you just note it down and keep. I'll clear all your doubts here. Okay, in the next chapter, that is in next session, we'll be seeing the introduction about internet, email, and the uses of it and all. Okay, thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.